Today you'll take vocabulary quiz number 7 in language arts. Be sure to put your name and your class number at the top of the page. Here are the words we're going to focus on this week. I'm going to read up and down. In the first column is prevail. Column 2, zany. Column 3, fervor. Column 4, industrious and amble. Column 5, runt. Column 6, wad. And column 7, sucker, foul, and enroll. Put the correct word that matches each definition. Number 1, this is a noun that means help, relief, or assistance of some kind. Number 2, this is a verb that means to walk slowly or to walk in a leisurely gait. Number 3, this is an adjective that means foolish or crazy. Number 4, this is a noun that's an intensity of feeling or expression. Number 5, this is a noun. It's a small mass of material that's been squeezed into a ball. Perhaps you might spit these at your classmates. Number 6, it's a verb. It means to be victorious or to persuade someone. Number 7 is a noun. It means undersized. It could be a small animal or person. Usually it's referred to as an animal. Number 8 is a verb. It means to make or become a member, or to sign up for something. Number 9 is a noun. It's any type of bird, or also it can be a word for the meat of that bird. And number 10 is an adjective, meaning hardworking. For numbers 11 to 15, you're going to choose any 5 vocabulary words from this week's list. Then on the back of the page, you'll write each in a sentence that shows that you know the meaning of that word. Underline the vocabulary word in the sentence. Now remember, you're not writing out a word and its definition as a sentence. You're using the word properly in a sentence so that we know what it means. Don't forget to underline the word. Don't forget proper punctuation, capitalize at the beginning, and punctuation at the end. When you think about what 5 words you're going to use, pick 5 words that you are confident that you got correct. Take a look at the list before you choose the 5 that you're going to put into sentences.